All right, here's my 2008 328i that I picked up from the auction. That's has a little bit of quarter panel, or a little, but a lot of quarter panel damage that you'll probably see that you're gonna see the transformation of. I'm gonna show you a little walk around of it right now. This is the interior, back seats. Here are all the suspension parts that I picked up from the junkyard, and a brake line that I needed. Because once I take off this wheel, you're gonna see that pretty much all the suspension components in here are bent from the impact, because this is the old rim that was on it. It's a little scuffed up front, but when you turn it around, you can see it's cracked really, really bad.